Hi everyone, I am back in another video, and today we are going to be playing Roblox. And I was going to make a Fortnite video, but I don't know how to get a Fortnite on Xbox. So yeah, but today we are going to be playing with a Minion from Despicable Me, and her name will be. Wait, I'm not on the right account. Hold up, guys. Hold up. I'm gonna do that so you can't see my face cam real fast because I don't want you to see my face cam while I type in this stuff. We want. We're probably gonna have to make a part 2, guys, because I only have a certain amount of time to make the video. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I am in my account. And yes, I'm going to join the Minion. If I can find the Minion. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I guess we're going to be escaping the clown. This game is called, let's see. It's a very fun game. We're going to have to make a part 2. Okay? Okay. It's called The Clown Killings Reborn if you guys want to go check it out for yourself. Okay. This doesn't sound very peaceful. I can't move my mouse yet. Yeah, I played an wireless mouse. If I ever log into the game. I think I'm frozen, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, here's the Minion. Hi, Minion. Oh, the Demogorgon! I'm a fan. I'm gonna say I'm a fan. Stranger Things 3 in 3 days, by the way. I play on shift. Let's see. Sorry, I'm just trying out stuff. Okay. Let's see, where is my break and fun? Here it is. Okay. So guys, the Minion's name is going to be Lola Spatter. Look out for her chats in the chat. I'll be reading them to you on a didn't get a chance to go.
This site is experiencing multiple killin and Euclid level containment breaches. Full site lock.
I'm gonna mute that. Okay. Let's see. Where's the Minion? The Minion says Bella. We're gonna say Bella. Oh. Okay. Minion. What do we do? Okay. What do we do? Spook warning. Yes. Demogorgon. Demogorgon. Oh yeah. Yeah. We can go in here. Also, guys, sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I just kind of forgot about the channel. Follow? Yeah, I got you. G server. Demogorgon's adding me, yep. I usually don't add people, but, you know, Demogorgon's special. Oh god, it's gonna eat me. Are you guys excited for season 3? Yes, oh dear. Just for entertainment purposes, I'm gonna go out. There he is, okay. I think Minion is dead. Oof. It's a oof. It's a oof. That is an oof. Like and sub. Yes. We're gonna have a part 2 of this video. So stay tuned for that. Okay. Spectate party? Spectate party. Me? Oh, okay, I will spectate. That face, though. Okay, there's still 1 minute 30 seconds still. Okay, well, someone's quitting. What's he doing? I love how the clown like changes. I should have been smarter. I should have like went forward and then turned. I don't know. I didn't want to go in the room where everyone else was. I'm gonna. I don't know if you guys. This is kind of like Flea. Yeah, a little bit. My dog's in here. Better. Yeah, it is better. It is better. Never. I kind of like. I don't know if it's better. I could do a gameplay for the facility sometime. Yeah. Okay, it's over. Okay, this is gonna be the last round until we do part 2. Yeah, only 2 rounds. Let's make the final round. Sorry, you guys part 1 was 2. I mean, we might have 1 more round after this. camera. Okay. GG. Minion, this is my trampoline. No. Yep. Let's go laboratory. That seems fun. Let's go.
This site is experiencing multiple killer and Euclid level containment breaches. Full site lockdown initiated.
I'm gonna mute that. Demogorgon, as much as I love you, I'm not gonna do that. Super Minion, I'm gonna blind you with a flashlight. Wait. Okay, let's find a good hiding spot. And here seems good. Oh no, it doesn't. Never mind. Okay, all the rooms are kind of. Oh, I got a good idea. Minion, where are you? Okay. Wait. Oh, you left Minion? Okay. Imagine. My friend tried to do. I think this moon on my head is too big, so I'm going back in my. Okay. This is like the ice cream sandwich on Domino's. I think it is. Oh, hi, Minion. Okay, yeah, this is the last name. Let's try and win. I swear, if I die, I'm like the last. Oh, you can't go in this door. This door's perfect. I see the clown. I see the clown.